Excuse my appearance. My hair needs to be redone and everything like that, but that's not the focus of this video. The salad that I made, I'm sitting in my bedroom while I'm eating it. This is the salad that I made. It's so delicious. It's really good. I don't usually use these ingredients. But this turned out real good. You should try this. And I made my own dressing with avocado, oil, a fresh squeezed lemon, and I put seasonings in it. Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano. Sometimes I put cayenne pepper in it. But those are the ingredients that I use for my dressing. I don't buy those store-bought dressings that have like dairy in it and a lot of sodium and a lot of sugar. So this is really delicious. You ought to try it. It's really good. Peace. Oh, I forgot to say, I also added my homemade vegan ground meat. That actually my daughter made the other day when she made homemade, that's another story, homemade Jamaican pies. So I decided to stick that in it too. So the ingredients, I'll probably do that on another video, show how she made the Jamaican pies and the crust for it and the filling, the vegan sausage that goes in the inside of it. But I put that in here and that's good too. Anyway, I just had to add that. Peace.